Hello everyone. We are from the Newton School. This is Ravi. We the Newton School. Newton School is a platform to learn and develop skills that you need for your best tech career. We boost up your skills and prepare for your dream job. We from the Newton School. The Newton School is going to conduct a big coding contest. It has worths of gifts and prizes which has Rs 5 lakhs rupees. It got an exciting prizes. The beginner can also be compared there. We are from Newton School. Let's get how to register for the Newton School Grand Coding Contest. I will say that let's get into newtonschool.co. There you can find here we have that newtonschool.co. It has Grand Coding Contest. It worth has 5 lakhs rupees. You can earn the cash prizes and win exciting many of prizes are there. You can join this contest here. You can click here, join the contest, and you get into another window. You can have here the form. You can type here the college, stream, specialization, and your year of pass out from the graduation, and how to know about this contest. Click here, you have many platforms here, social media platform, and you can submit here. You can receive an email notification, and you can get with an coding contest, do participate there and win an exciting prizes. And we are giving a best coding skill knowledge by this Python crash course. This is the episode 3 of Python crash course. Our agenda for episode 3 is data types in Python, numbers, strings, lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries. We are going to discuss today numbers, strings, and lists. We discuss data types in Python. Let's get into the topic. Topic లోకి వెళ్ళే ముందు do subscribe, share for the Newton School. You can get the notification and you can get the good balancing tech career by our Newton School. Let's get into numbers. Numbers flow integers, floats, complex numbers. We have three types of numbers: integers, floats, and complex number. Integer. Integers వచ్చేసి -1 to +1 and including 0. Float low 2.5, 3.5, 7.8. It has decimal values. Complex 2 plus 5j, 3 plus 9j. It's to be a complex number. And Python recognize where is an integer, what is an integer, and what is float and what is complex. And we have the Newton School website. Our website lo vachesi we have an ID, we have coding there. Let's get into that ID and we have to see there what is actually what. X equals to 5. 5 వచ్చేసి ఏంటి? When the beginner starts, they didn't know. As a practical print of A, మనం టైప్ ఫంక్షన్ యూజ్ చేసి A అనేది ఏంటో రికగ్నైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. Here we take as A. టైప్ ఫంక్షన్ యూజ్ చేసి A అంటే ఫ్లోటా, ఇంటీజరా, కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్. Let's see here whether it an integer, float, or a complex. Let's run it. Yeah, A equals to 5 is an integer. Here is the output, standard output. 5 అనేది class of int. 5 అనేది int. What is 5.5 actually? 5.5 అనేది ఏంటి? We can run the program here, can get to know. 5.5 అనేది float. It is an float or a decimal value. 5.5 అనేది float. What is 5 plus 5j? We want to see it. What is an 5 plus 5j actually? 5 plus 5j అనేది complex number. It has a complex number. 5 plus 5j is a complex number. It is the numbers, integer, float and number. It is a numbers and complex number we have. And we can next see into sets or dictionaries or lists or tuples, or we are next going into a little bit into strings. Strings are the amongst the most popular type in Python. We can create them simply by enclosing characters in quotes. Python treats single quotes the same as double quotes. Creating strings is as simple as assigning a values to the value. Yeah, strings అనేది డబుల్ కోట్స్ లో లేదా సింగిల్ కోట్స్ లో లేదా మల్టిపుల్ కోట్స్ లో కూడా రాయవచ్చు. అది స్ట్రింగ్స్ అనేది ఎలా రాస్తారో చూపిస్తాం. Now let's get into the same ID. We take as A equals to, ఫస్ట్ మనం సింగిల్ కోట్స్ లో రాద్దాం. A అనేది we have Ravi. A అనేది సింగిల్ కోట్స్ లో రాసాం రవి. B అనేది డబల్ కోట్ లో కుమార్. సి వచ్చేసి మల్టిపుల్ కోట్స్ లో రాద్దాం. హాయ్. మల్టిపుల్ కోట్స్ లో రాసాం సి అనేది. We can see the output. ఇప్పుడు అవుట్పుట్ చూద్దాం. ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. Now run the program. We get Ravi. Yeah, this was the output of A. And we see print of B. We can get as Kumar. Next, C. Print of C. We can get as hi. Yes. Now print and we have some of conversions in strings. A equals to Ravi. B equals to is a good. Ravi is a good boy. Next, how to add these two. We want to concatenate these two values, these two strings, not a value, sorry. It's a string actually. Ravi is a string, B is a one of the string. He's a good boy. We want to concatenate both. Print of A plus B. We want to concatenate these both strings. We want to see here. It came as Ravi is a good boy. We have concatenated these two as good boy. And we can do as smaller letters into capital. We can do upper. Let's see here. You can get A as Ravi as and capital caps. ఏ అనేది క్యాపిటల్ క్యాప్స్ లో వచ్చింది. రవి అనేది ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ లెటర్ లో ఉంది. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్స్ లో వచ్చేసింది. యా సేమ్ యాజ్ వీ కెన్ డూ బి. స్మాలర్ లో ఉంది, క్యాపిటల్ కి వచ్చేస్తుంది. యా ఈజ్ ఏ గుడ్ బాయ్. ఇక్కడ స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ లో ఉంది, ఇక్కడ క్యాపిటల్స్ లో వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ వీ కెన్ రిప్లేస్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఐటమ్స్ ఇన్ బి ఆల్సో. Replace good to bad, good to youngest. It's a good, I think. Let's see here. You can replace. Yeah, it's gonna replace here. He is a youngest boy. Yeah, now you can see here. We got output as is a youngest boy. Yeah, this was an replacement actually. You can find, you can remove, and there was a many conversions in it. And you can find also. And you can print the string as well as spaces, table space, and you can do it also. Ravi by N, and you have Ravi. You can run the program. You can get as, oh sorry, you can see here once. You can get this as like this. Print Ravi Kumar by N is a good boy. I think it works. I think it works fine. I think by N, I think it was an, yeah, you get this actually. And we have next list. We have list. List is the most versatile data type available in Python. It can be written as list of comma separated values between square brackets. Important things about list. These operations include indexing, slicing, adding, multiplying, and checking for the membership. Next, we are getting into an introduction of lists. Today, we are getting an introduction. I will explain the same topic in the next episode. Please do subscribe, like, share for the Newton School. We the Newton School to bring a great tech career for a better reach of to get into a dream job into it. We are going with an Python crash course. This is an episode 3. Please do like, share, and subscribe for the Newton School. And please do participate in the coding contest, which was on 27th of August. Please do subscribe, like, share for the Newton School.